Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today we're gonna be doing a fresh, flawless, glowing, springtime fly makeup look. Sometimes you just want to have a flawless face that looks fresh. I'm actually partnering with Sephora for today's video, and we all know that they're the foundation hotspot. We all know the bomb products that they carry and the bomb brands. So if you want to see how to get this look and you want to see what I use on my face today, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so now that I have you guys all up close and personal, let's get into this skin. I absolutely believe in pre-gaming your face. I think come through already moisturized and ready to go. But of course, we are still going to be using a hydrating primer. This is the Becca Skin Love Brighten and Blur Primer. I'm going to take the Becca Skin Love Prime and Set Mist. This is going to keep our primer, quenched. Now for the star of the show, I'm going to be using the Nars Sheer Glow Foundation, and I'm in the shade medium 1.5. I love this foundation so much because it's buildable. So it's called Sheer Glow, and it does give you that little glow. You can wear it sheer, you can build it up really nicely. I love a natural finish because it's almost like, dang, that's your skin? No, it's just the makeup, but I'll take the compliment though. Sephora's always been the go-to for foundations because you can go in, you can swatch everything, you can get samples, or even if you go online, you can use their foundation finder, you can figure out what kind of finish you're looking for, what kind of foundation you're looking for. Now that we're all leveled up with our foundation, it's time to really go in with concealer. This is the new Marc Jacobs Beauty Accomplished Concealer and Touch Up Stick. I saw Miss Nikki use this in a video and I was like, need. This is actually the first stick concealer I've ever used, and I love stick foundation, so I don't know why I've never tried a stick concealer. It is so creamy, amazing coverage. Yes, cover that pimple right there. Thank you. Time to go ahead and set the under eyes. I'm gonna use the Mercier loose setting powder, which I always use. Even when I want to look luminous, I make sure to set under my eyes because I do not want them to crease. The key to being luminous is keeping it luminous where you want it and keeping it set to where you don't want it to budge. That is an under eye right there. That is If you feel like you need a little bit more set on your skin, I would recommend the Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder Glow. This will give you just a slight glow to the skin. Do not set your under eye with it, just on the face. That is it for the complexion products. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face real quick off camera, and we're going to come back looking real snatched. I'm going to go ahead and set my face. That fine mist though. So that is it for this fresh, flawless face application right here. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.